A coffee machine, also known as a coffee maker or coffee brewer, is a device designed to brew coffee. It is a popular household appliance that allows individuals to make their favorite coffee beverages conveniently and quickly. Coffee machines come in various types, each offering its own unique brewing method and features. One of the most common types of coffee machines is the drip coffee maker. This machine operates by pouring water into a reservoir, which is then heated and dripped over a filter containing ground coffee. The brewed coffee then drips into a pot or carafe below. Drip coffee makers are known for their simplicity and ease of use, making them a popular choice for many coffee enthusiasts. Another popular type is the espresso machine. Espresso machines are designed to produce concentrated coffee by forcing pressurized water through finely ground coffee beans. This process extracts the flavors and oils from the coffee, resulting in a strong and rich espresso.